Welcome back to the channel, people. Today we're plane spotting at Heathrow Airport again. Now the first plane of the evening coming in from where I've just got here is Barcelona to London Heathrow. It's British Airways A320. So not a big one, but it's still nonetheless still a brilliant plane when it comes in. Here it's gonna pop through the trees any minute. There we go. Lovely jubbly. Next one coming in is an A319 from British Airways, again coming from Billund in Denmark. And again, it's going to come through the trees any second. There we go. That one was quite high up, so it was hard to get a good shot of that one, but nonetheless we still captured it coming in. Let's check the next one. Next one is from Istanbul, Turkey. It's Turkish Airlines A320 again. Oh look, here it comes. Coming in from Turkish Airlines. Ooh, that one was a bit wobbly. That one was a bit wobbly landing. I'll have to watch the clip back to see if I can see if it was wobbly, if you can see it or not, but that was quite a wobbly landing. Next one we have in is from Munich, Germany, coming into London Heathrow, another British Airways A320. There we go. It's quite high again. Look at that, coming in from Germany. Right, so next one's coming in from Cyprus. It's an A321. Again, I can't remember if it's British Airways or not. I think it is. But here it comes poking through the trees. Let's get it. There you go, you can see it coming through the trees. I'll try and get a high up shot of it. Right, next one's an exciting one. This one's coming from IDA all the way to London Heathrow. IDA is Washington Airport from the US of A. Washington DC. This is Boeing 767, I believe, coming through. There you go, poking its head through the trees. I love these big planes, man. Look at that. Oh, it's a bit wobbly. That United Airlines was a bit of a wobbly landing there. I don't know if you saw it. It's quite windy here today where I am. This is quite a common plane spotting place at Heathrow Airport, which is classed as Bedfont, but Bedfont, Hatton, Heathrow, Feltham, whatever you want to say. But this is where I am currently. And the next one coming in is coming from Corfu, Greece. And again, it's British Airways. go, coming in from Corfu, Greece. A bit of a wobbly landing. It's wobbling. So I'm currently filming on my iPhone and the battery rinses when I'm filming, so I'm just gonna film selected planes and a bit of me in the middle talking here and there, which I'm sure you will love. But nonetheless, let's look out for the next one. Right, the next one coming in is a DHL, and I think it's just freight. It just moves cargo from one airport to another. But this one's actually come from London Luton Airport, which is only a 16-minute flight. But if you was to drive there, it would take you about an hour and 20 minutes. So it's quite interesting to see this coming in, as it's only a flight of 16 minutes. But I love these planes. These planes are brilliant. I don't even think they have windows on it. There we go, poking through the trees again. DHL. Love them aeroplanes, look at that. Alright, so I've missed a few planes because my iPhone's telling me I need to update my storage or make storage or delete storage or whatever it is. So I'm just going to do that quickly and then I'll be back. This one's coming in from Beirut, Lebanon. Right, next one's exciting. This is American Airlines coming in from JFK. It's one of my favourite aircrafts, actually, one of my favourite aeroplanes. So far, I've seen a few, not as many as I'd like to, because I'm only at Heathrow, but nonetheless, still messing about with this iPhone storage and cloud stuff. It's annoying, but we'll get there in the end. I'm going to keep filming as much as I can. American Airlines. Look how big it is. One coming in from Hong Kong. I missed that one. Right, I managed to free up some storage on my phone, but that took quite a lot of battery, so I come back to my truck and I'm just charging my phone a little bit so I can try and capture a few more planes before it goes dark. But it's frustrating having to film on your phone and you haven't got enough data and the battery rinses so fast. That's why you just see in that last clip the plane I filmed from Hong Kong. I grabbed my phone quickly off charge and I filmed it quickly going in, but it's not as close as I want it to be. But I need to charge my phone because I need to get some more planes in. Let's get it. Just walking back now to the spot. I'm gonna try catch this sunset with the planes landing. Sunset looks beautiful. Let me show you. I guess the camera doesn't do it justice, but it's so bright. Next one's coming in. Next one's coming in from Montreal, Canada. YUL to London Heathrow. It's gonna come from behind them trees now. Let's get it. Let's see if we can get the sunset as well. I love these big planes, man. Looks so nice for the sunset. And a nice smooth landing. Next one we have coming in is just a little plane A319 coming in from Jersey in the UK still. I think this flight is only about 40 minutes. So only a little one, but I'm going to capture it anyway. And there you go. This one might be a bit of a bumpy landing because it's a smaller plane. That was a smooth landing. Next one is a A320 British Airways coming in from Santorini, Greece. Try and get a bit of a different angle this time. Right, next one coming in from Egypt, from Cairo in Egypt, where the pyramids are. If you didn't know, where the longest river in the world is, in Egypt, which is the River Nile. But you didn't know that. And that sunset is, the camera doesn't do it justice, man. Good old British weather, eh? Go, British Airways coming in from Cairo. Look at that, with the London bus in it too. In the sunset. That's the good thing about Heathrow Airport. You never know what you're gonna get. A nice sunset, clouds, rain. You just never know. It's a bit windy today. It's not too hot either. But it's not hot at all, to be fair. It's a bit chilly. I'm a bit cold. That's why I got my hood up. But the next one coming in is from Nice in France. Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour. Yes, bonjour. Next one coming in from France, and the sunset. Oh, there it is. Let me capture it. One sec. So you gotta have quick hands to quickly change. British Airways coming in from Nice. A lorry blocks it. Typical. Next one coming in is from Vienna in Austria. There you go, you can see it poking through the trees with its lights on. Another British Airways. I've literally been out here 5 minutes filming and I've got 10% battery left already. It's just rinsed it. The next plane is coming in from Stockholm as well. Sweden. I'm not good with them accents, but yeah. It's coming in from Stockholm, Sweden. And I always wonder when I'm filming the planes and stuff, do you think the pilots can see down at us, like? Or the passengers can see out at us, like what everyone here is doing, watching the planes? Obviously they can, but do they notice? I don't know. It's just a weird thing, isn't it? Especially the pilots, because the pilots are flying the planes. So I'm always curious to know that. Here we go, coming in from Stockholm, Sweden. Let me just try and get a good angle of it. Hold the tripod. Oh, bit wobbly, bit wobbly. There we go. Esse and that sunset still looks banging. Oh, that plane was a bit wobbly. I don't know if you saw that, but that was a bit wobbly, that one. Right, next one coming in from Athens. Trying to squeeze as many in as I can. So I'm trying to cut the filming down before my battery dies. Another wobbly one. You can see in the distance as well. There's a plane taking up. You can see it there. Right people, I think I'm going to stop it there. I just checked on my app and it says the next 6, 7, 8 planes are all British Airways, and there's another flight from Stockholm coming in, which we've already seen, one of them already tonight. They're just the same planes coming in, and I ain't got much battery, and I'm not going to keep running back and forth to the van to charge it a little bit, to run back down and all that stuff. Let me catch one last one for you. And as you can see, you've got 4 planes in the distance there, but they're all British Airways. That's what it says on my app, they're all British Airways, so I ain't gonna mess about too much. Had a good session, filmed some good content, and it's time to go home from this beautiful airport. Actually, I could try and get some content here. See behind me in the airport. Sick. You can't see what I see though. Let me turn the camera around. Live coverage from Heathrow Airport. See some planes moving around. Plane stationary there. Oh, we got another plane coming in. Anyway, that definitely is the end of the night for me here at Heathrow Airport. I'm definitely going now. No more clips in between. No more. I need to go home now. But I don't know what it is about airports. I love airports. I love aeroplanes. You know, the scenery is perfect. You get a great shot from here. The dream is to obviously visit other airports and stuff like that. And I've only picked up this hobby recently, but I've just, I just love plane watching, plane spotting. You know, I love watching the app constantly, even when I'm at home. Constantly on the app. So from where I live like 10 minutes from Heathrow, so I can see all the planes coming in, but I can't get as good of a view as I get when I'm there, sorry. But even when I'm at home, even when I'm out working, doesn't matter where I am, if I see an aeroplane, I'll load up my app and check where it's coming from all the time. It's crazy. It's just come out of nowhere. But I found a new passion, a new hobby, and I love it, and I'm gonna share it with you lot. So I'd appreciate if you liked, commented, subscribed. Tell me where you are in the world. Tell me what airports you're near, some of your favorite planes. Right, there we go. Right, no more. I'm at my truck now, so no more. But yeah, start a conversation in the comments, man. Let's get talking. I appreciate it all. Thank you.